Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I show you how to change the code font size in Android Studio. Here you see my code font size is too much big. So I want to set it something small. So for that, go to File and then click on Setting. Then here, firstly you the interface like that. Okay. Then you click on Editor. Then go for font. After that you see the font monospaced. Here you also changed like what you like. Then size. Here the size of my text is 18. So I want to sort it like 16. Okay, 16 like that. Then line spacing is 1.0 and fallback font this. So none rese. So fallback font is none. Then you can change it like you. Then here is also you see that the file encodings, then live templates, then file type, and also you change color scheme. Here you can from here you can change your color, means background color or others. Okay. Then you click on apply. After that you click on OK. Okay, then have the sense code is font size is changed. So thank you everyone, see you next.